Hello, I'm Auger with Auger Auger, a family-run law firm proudly serving Rock Hill and the South Carolina community for over 30 years. Today I want to address a serious and preventable issue that affects our roads: truck accidents caused by drivers under the influence of drugs or alcohol. If your loved one has been injured in a truck accident involving an intoxicated driver, we're here to help you understand your rights under South Carolina law and pursue the compensation you deserve. Commercial truck drivers are held to a higher standards than other motorists. Federal regulations such as the Omnibus Transportation Employee Testing Act require regular drug and alcohol testing for drivers operating commercial motor vehicles. Under these laws, a single failed drug or alcohol test or DUI conviction can result in a truck driver being disqualified from driving for a year or even permanently, depending on the violation. However, despite these safeguards, accidents involving impaired truck drivers still happen, often with devastating consequences. South Carolina law takes impaired driving very seriously. Drivers operating commercial vehicles with a blood alcohol level of 0.04% or higher are considered legally impaired, a stricter standard than the 0.08% limit for non-commercial drivers. Additionally, truck drivers are prohibited from consuming alcohol within 4 hours of driving or while operating a commercial vehicle. Violations of these regulations can lead to severe penalties for the driver and their employer. Victims of accidents involving intoxicated truck drivers may be entitled to compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, and pain and suffering, and in some cases, punitive damages. Punitive damages are financial penalties intended to punish the driver and their employer for reckless behavior and deter similar actions in the future. South Carolina follows a modified comparative negligence system which allows victims to recover compensation as long as they are not more than 50% at fault for the accident. However, when gross negligence is involved, such as truck driver operating under the influence of drugs or alcohol, the law often allows for additional punitive damages, emphasizing the seriousness of such actions. At Auger Auger, we know how to uncover evidence needed to build a strong case. Our team will thoroughly investigate the accident, gathering critical evidence such as police reports, medical records, DUI test results, and data from the truck's onboard systems. If necessary, we will subpoena records and conduct on-site investigations to determine if drug or alcohol use played a role in the crash. In addition to holding the driver accountable, we investigate whether their employer neglected their duty to ensure the safety of the operations. South Carolina law imposes a duty on trucking companies to perform thorough background checks and regularly monitor their drivers. If the trucking company allowed a driver with a known history of substance abuse to remain behind the wheel, they may also be held liable for the accident. Truck accident cases involving DUI require extensive resources and legal expertise, and that's exactly what we bring to every case. At Auger Auger, we're committed to helping victims and their families seek justice and recover the compensation they deserve. With our A&A Zero Fee Guarantee, you won't pay a thing unless we win your case. If you or someone you love has been affected by a truck accident involving an intoxicated driver in Rock Hill or anywhere in South Carolina, don't wait to take action. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation consultation. Let us put our 30-plus years of experience to work for you so you can focus on healing while we fight for the justice and compensation you deserve.